All right, YouTube, what is up? So today I am showing you guys a real quick unboxing of the PRL Short Ram intake. This is the non-SI variant, and this is the street variant, so it does not require a tune. And I'm gonna show you guys what comes in the box, and I'll go ahead and show you a little bit of what the install might look like. There's some great video references out there that are already on YouTube that I'll link below, as well as some sound clips that we will do later in the day today. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in the box. All right, so when you look in the box here, we have the filter. Okay, this is the filter that will go and replace your stock OEM filter. We have the tubing that will replace the OEM tubing. Now, I don't know all the technical names for all these parts, but just to kind of give you an idea of what the packaging looks like, what it looks like when it comes to you in the box. Obviously very well packaged. And then of course you get some decals, because why wouldn't you get decals? You have the mounting bracket that allows for the stability of the intake itself. And then here in this box, we have another piece that'll connect all the other parts. And right here at the top is where your OEM sensor will go in order to give the data to your ECU. All right, guys, so this is the PRL Short Ram intake. This is the non-SI street variant, so this doesn't require a tune. It's a full bolt-on application, and it took about 25-30 minutes tops. You'll remove the OEM airbox and the OEM charge pipe, and you'll put on the PRL charge pipe and the filter. Don't forget to re-add the sensor here. I will drop a few links below of some other videos where people do a full install to help you guys out. But other than that, I just wanted to show you this, and then we'll go on to some sound clips in a bit.